Matiu 11. When Jesus don teach him disciples finish, he comot from there go teach and preach for different towns for Galilee. Jesus and John the Baptist. Now, when John hear for inside prison about the things where Jesus did do, he come send him disciples go ask am, "Na you be Messiah where we dey expect? Or make we wait for another person?" Jesus come answer them, "Make una go tell John wetin una dey hear and see. Blind people dey see, people wey no fit waka dey waka, God dey cure leper, deaf people dey hear, people wey don die dey wake up, and poor people dey hear the good news. God go bless the person wey no dey vex for me." As John disciples dey go, Jesus come tell the people about John. Wetin una go desert go see? Na grass wey breeze dey blow. Who una go outside go see? Abi na man wey wear fine dress? People wey wear fine dress like that, no be king palace dem dey stay. Wetin una go see for outside? Na prophet? Yes, I tell una, e even big pass prophet. Na John be the person wey dem write for God word about say, "See, I dey send person go your front, make e go prepare the way for you." I tell una true word, among all the people wey woman born, e no get person wey big reach John the Baptist. But the person wey small pass for God kingdom big pass am. From John the Baptist time come reach now, people dey struggle to enter God kingdom, but na only those wey dey struggle well dey fit enter. Before John come, Moses law and the prophets dey preach about wetin go happen, and if una go gree with wetin I dey talk, John na him be Elijah wey suppose to come. Anybody wey get ear, make e hear. Wetin I go say this time people be like? They be like children for market wey dey holla for each other say, "We blow flute for una, but una no gree dance. We dey cry for our person wey die, but una no follow us cry." When John the Baptist come, e no chop, drink, or enjoy life, but una say e get demon. But when man pikin come, e chop and drink, and una say, "See am, long throat, drunken man, tax collectors and sinners friend." But God wisdom dey show for wetin e dey do. Town where e no believe, Jesus come dey curse all the town where e for do many miracles, because the people no gree turn from sin come meet God. E no go better for Chorazin and Bethsaida people if to say the miracles wey they do for among una happen for Tyre and Sidon, dem for don turn from their sin come meet God, come carry ashes put for head and wear tear cloth. But I tell una true word, e go easy for Tyre and Sidon for judgment day pass una. Una wey be Capernaum people, una feel say una fit carry una self go heaven? No. God go throw una for hellfire, because if to say them do miracles where them do for una for inside Sodom, the town for still dey till today. But I tell una, God go get mercy for Sodom pass una for judgment day. Jesus invites people. For that time, Jesus come say, I praise you, Papa, Oga God, wey get heaven and earth, because you hide these things from people wey get sense and those wey know book well, but you show them to small children. Yes, Papa, na so you want make it be. My Papa put everything for my hand. Nobody know the pikin, but na only im Papa know am. Nobody know the Papa, but na only the pikin and anybody where the pikin choose to show. Una wey don tire and carry heavy load, make una come meet me and I go give una rest. Make una follow me and learn from me, because I gentle. I no dey carry body up, and I go give una peace for una mind. My way easy to follow, and my load no heavy to carry. All of us for Barnabas Corner, they say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel, then I will click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video on our phone go green una. Una go help us like the video, una go help us share am with una friends, and most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.